Oh, good morning. I've just awoken, and it's our final day in the Cotswolds, so I thought I would show you a little view from our hotel window. Anyway, this is the last day, final day, the final walk.
Okay, it's day 10, and we're in Cold Ashton, and it's cold this morning. Yes. And we actually backtracked a little bit this morning so we could come back and see this church that we missed yesterday. This is the Holy Trinity Church. It's really pretty. This morning we have to hike 10.2 miles and then we'll be in Bath and we'll be done.
I feel happy and sad at the same time.
The adventure's ending.
I'm happy that I don't want to walk anymore, but I'm also sad because it means that
we have to go back to the real world.
Or something. Yeah. I don't
Oh,
know.
now he's suddenly enjoying it.
I don't know. Look at this crap.
It's cool.
This is a actual freaking church in the middle of wherever we are. We shared a little Uber ride with some Canadians this morning.
Yep. Because it was kind of difficult to get to the hotel last night. We had to kind of like walk along this really busy highway. So this morning we didn't want to get hit by a car. So we took a little Uber into the town. But we had a really beautiful room last night and it had
very cool.
Gorgeous views. We watched the sunset through the windows. We were like in the upper part of the house. It was really pretty. Yeah, we're almost done. Sad, but also ready to be off our feet and relax and go to the thermal spa in Bath and then back to London and back to the real world. We've taken so many photos and had so many videos and so many interesting and surprising experiences.
It's definitely been an adventure.
It's been an adventure and I feel like it's going to take us, it usually takes me I feel like a year to process my travels, but
a trauma.
Just the different, so many different things you remember and you know.
But we're not there yet, so we're talking like we've
almost
done
there.
It. Yeah,
okay,
we're still
10 miles.
10 more miles. 10 miles ain't no joke, you know, just so you know, y'all children out there.
I'm taking double exposure with the church and me. And okay, Chris, you do the second one.
Okay. I've done it. Time to hit the road, Joe.
Black and white though, which sucks.
Well, they're white flowers, so that works out. It's a wiener dog.
Morning.
Hello. Millie's preparing a photo. She's using her tripod to capture the landscape. Give the people a thumbs up. Nice.
All right, onward. This is all along the path, pretty much every day. It's Queen Anne's lace, or also known as cow parsley. It's really pretty and whimsical. Okay, Chris is gonna take a photo of me now. This really cool stone wall. There's a battle here apparently, a bloody civil war.
The Battle of Lansdown of 1643 during the English Civil War was fought in this exact field.
Okay.
Another giant arch commemorating a battle.
Right? Don't be disrespectful.
It's not disrespectful, it has lots of energy and excitement. The glory of battle. This is like the 5th golf course that we've walked by. So you will see lots of golf courses. Luckily they are very pretty. That was a loud one. So we've been through like, maybe like 100 of those gates, would you say? Oh look. I'm the water bottle king, I'm the water bottle boy. Water bottle boy.
Almost done. 5.75 miles left. We thought we were gonna get lunch, but nope, the cafe's closed or doesn't exist anymore. So, no food till Bath.
Millie was just saying, out of all the places that we've been, this is probably one of the better trips that we've taken because of the level of immersion. That's what she said, which is kind of like a weird gamer thing to say, but it's true.
Okay, before the video games were invented, that was the thing. Being actually immersed in real life.
Yeah, real life immersion.
Okay.
Because it's every day, all day, and we're out here on the street, so. Another gate, another dollop. Say goodbye to the lambs. Because that ahead is Bath, right, Mel? Right there. We actually made it, kind of. We're not there yet. Can you see the chart? Look. You see? It's the final descent into the city.
3.56 miles left.
You see that?
Let's go.
There's the destination. We're almost there.
Our final destination is Bath Abbey, where a carved stone disc set into the pavement outside the ornate west doors marks the end of the Cotswold Way. So we have to find the stone disc.
That's where we're going next. We gotta go for the stone disc.
That means we've completed the trail.
We still got like 2 miles to it, but we gotta get going.
All right, let's go. Resume.
To the city. Here we go. I think this is the final hill that descends down. Looks like a soccer field after this. We'll be in the town.
Say goodbye to the bugs and the birds and the bees.
Goodbye.
And the bunnies and the sheep and the cows.
Right there. Bye.
Bye, Cotswold bug.
You were really sucked most days, but you were beautiful.
Did you get the bulbous tree over here?
Look at this tree. It has a huge butt. It's nature at its finest.
The trees here look like people. It's weird.
That's probably some tall tales with some tree people in it.
Looks like they have souls.
Remember in Lord of the Rings they had the tree people? It says we still have like 2 miles left, but the city's right there, so.
It said the end is like mostly suburbia.
Wow.
All right.
Have to go back to society now.
I want to. I'm done with people. I've seen enough people in my day. I've dealt with enough personalities. I've got my own problems, people.
Time to head back into the city.
Say goodbye to the buttercups.
Guess we did it.
I think we almost just crossed the 100-mile threshold.
Oh, really?
100.18.
We did it. 100 miles on our feet. It can't be done by humans without dying. We proved it right here on the internet.
By people who are decently fit.
But not hikers.
In their mid-30s.
Yeah. If you're in your mid-30s and you don't do anything, you too can hike the Cotswolds.
With inflammatory diseases, you too can survive this.
Millie's setting up the final shot in the final field. And it is of this hill. With little yellow flowers. What kind of flowers are these, Mill?
Buttercups?
Buttercups.
Buttercups.
Millie's favorite saying for years has been, "Cheer up, Buttercup." She says that whenever anybody else is suffering and she doesn't feel bad for them.
See you in Bath.
So we went down to the town, through some streets, and now it's back up another gigantic slope of death. This one's been going on for quite some time. We thought we were done. There's a tiny blip on Millie's little altitude meter. I guess it was there, a little bit more uphill.
One last hoorah.
Yeah, one more gate. We're heading towards what I assume is the center of the city, right babe? Yep. So we'll see how long that takes. We still got probably like 2 miles, yeah, 2 miles or so.
Don't get comfortable in those last 3 miles.
Yeah.
Straight uphill.
They're trying to trick you so they can break you down.
We thought we were in the home stretch and we're dying again.
Yeah. But this is a pretty cool little area.
Sweating. Say hello to the trees. Hello. There's 2 eyeballs and a nose and a mouth.
There's a human. There's some really big trees in this park, as you can see. Look at this one. Some big boys. These are alive creatures. They're like breathing and alive. And they're this big.
And they give you oxygen.
It's crazy.
Alright, less than a mile. We're seeing civilization. People playing in the park.
People playing in the park.
Alright, we're in the last quarter mile.
Almost there.
Things are buzzing. Almost there. Our phones are dying. Our cameras are dying. We're barely gonna make it. Made it!
100 miles completed.
We need some ice cream. Stat. Pronto.
But it's not really the end. We have to walk around the corner.
We have to go find the disc. Let's go.
There it is. We stepped on
We did
it.
it.
We did it.
We didn't die. It's a miracle.
Yay.
103 miles. In 10 days.
It hasn't synced in yet. It's gonna take a while. This is the look, it has a little acorn on it. It's like the trail
It
design.
says Cotswold Way Trail.
We couldn't find it. It took us like 10 minutes to find it. It's over. We don't have to walk anymore. Thank
We
God.
need ice cream, we need Aperol spritzes, we need food, we need hotels, we need spas,
And scones.
and scones.
So we have a lot to do.
And we're here at this beautiful Bath Abbey.
Pretty cool. And right here is where they have the Roman baths.
Time for food. Time
Yeah.
for relaxation. We're done.
We have to do no more.
We did it.
Good job, babe.
God. Survived.
You did it. Good job. $16.94.
Oh, they said?
I don't know. Something like that. It's like a really, really old shop. What? Yeah.
This was
It's a museum.
main road.
oldest house in Bath. Silly Longbottoms.
Sally Long John.
Finally, some real whiskey.
First on the whiskey, of course, at the hideout. Found the bar. Literally one step from the buns.
Hello.
Do you have space for 2 for dinner?
Yeah.
Pretty, huh?
Yep. Come on. What you hear?
We've heard this is the best coffee in the UK.
Right here in Bath. We have some little barista championships.
It's very milky. Creamy, I mean.
It's good. Yeah. That wasn't expensive, so it was a good deal.
Ready for the spa?
Apparently. Good.
Smells fishy over here.
It's a hot air balloon.
Photographing the hot air balloons.
There's 4 out there. It was a different gin, but
I disagree. I think it's extremely delicious. He doesn't know what he's talking about. If you're in gin country, they know more than you about gin.
a slight astringency to gin flavor.
It's delicious.
The Bath Gin Distillery. Make their own gin here.
It's good.
And they make good drinks. And they have a lot of different choices, and they're actually pretty good. Where were we?
Cold Ashton.
Cold Ashton.
Ashton. Are you done?
You just ruined the video again. Lily's being rude right now again. If you have gaseous problems, you can also hike the Cotswolds. Gretel being our dog.
She would not have survived this.
No, don't bring your French bulldog on this hike.
No. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe.